Hi everyone, in this video we will see two rice flakes or poha recipes. One is sweet and one is breakfast. Take 1 cup of jaggery and 3 cups of water. Just boil the jaggery and water until jaggery melts. Keep aside. Then take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add chopped cashew and almonds, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Fry them. Once it's fried, add 1 tablespoon of raisins. Now take separately. Or add grated dry coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Toast well. Then take it separately. In the rest of the ghee, add 1 cup of rice flakes, good quality and thick rice flakes I am using. Fry them on low flame. Once fried, then add gradually jaggery water. Rice flakes will cook in the jaggery water. It will take time 5 to 6 minutes to cook the rice flakes. On medium flame, you can cook from this time. It will change to thickens. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once cooked rice flakes, then add 1 or 2 crushed cardamom and fried ingredients. This is very simple and tasty sweet or dessert. You can serve with breakfast or lunch or to any guests or as a prasadam to God. Another one is rice flakes pulihora. Take 20 grams of tamarind, wash well 1 or 2 times. It contains some small soil particles. Then add 1.5 cup of water and soak to leave to soak. And take 400 grams of thick rice flakes or poha. Some people don't know rice flakes. They are calling poha. Wash it. It's having lot of dust. Wash and keep aside. And take a kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can use oil and 3 tablespoons of groundnut. Fry them. Once 50% fried, then add 1 teaspoon of mustard and 1 tablespoon of urad and gram dal, each 1 full tablespoon, and add little bit hing or hing powder. Now add 1 or 2 red chili and half teaspoon of turmeric, turmeric, and 3 to 4 selected green chili and 2 stems of curry leaves. Fry them. Now add tamarind juice. Adjust the water consistency if needed. Add little bit of water. Do not add more water. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water only. Now add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder. Then cook 1 or 2 minutes. It will turn to little bit thickness. In that time only we have to add rice flakes already washed and soaked. Now mix well. Now this is ready. You can use this as a breakfast or lunchbox recipe. Close and keep aside for 4 to 5 minutes. Then you can serve. After 5 minutes, mix once. It's ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Please like and comment to this video.